Welcome back. It's the news tonight. We're now going into business. In Kapchora, Sabay sub-region, barley growing was greatly affected when farmers resorted to growing food crops as a result of the COVID-19. Now, ABInBev shares with us how they are faring.
It has not been an easy year for companies and farmers that deal in barley growing in Uganda. Farmers in Sabay region, well known for barley growing, resorted to growing food crops like Irish potatoes in fear of what lies ahead. As they were announcing the effects of COVID-19 and limited movements, heavy rains and floods hit the region, washing away gardens. This was mainly in the month of May and June, where companies like Nile Brewery that make beer out of barley collected little from the farmers.
2020 came. We now again went in for the same things. This time now, we could buy the seed, you buy the fertilizer, then you take to the garden. Unfortunately, this natural calamity of rainfall now came in April and May. It was so terrible. 1 month only when the crops were just some centimeters. In fact, the yield was so good as it started. But when the weather came, it destroyed everything. And we said, no, that is not the end. We replanted. That's why we put these things.
Perennial disaster, mainly floods and drought, endangered farmers into a farming crop insurance scheme.
The way COVID affected, I'll start from NBL before I go to the farmers. In that, first of all, our production dropped. Reason being, during the lockdown, people were scared to come up to the buying centers and pick seeds. Actually, the production dropped with over 50%. So with that, it means the breweries will not be able to get enough raw materials, which they used to get from this place because of COVID. To the farmer, especially I would say the women farmers, whom they are actually a very crucial part of this program, they decided to focus on food security crops. Barley here is actually taken more of to be a cash crop because it is grown for sale.
Crop insurance was initiated by NBL's parent company, ABInBev, to achieve its agriculture sustainability goal of skilling farmers, connecting them to the market, and thus financially empowering them. Facilitated by OKO, an agriculture insurance company, the pilot project provided insurance to 60 of the barley farmers, reducing loss of income on a seasonal basis because of fluctuation in weather.
The advice is that we insure against heavy excessive rainfall, that is above normal rainfall, which we actually did that. And actually today here, the farmers who participated, who registered for the insurance scheme, paid their premium, they benefited, and today is their payout day.
Rains are currently pounding Kapchora and most parts of the country, and for this, farmers are looking forward to a beautiful harvest and a better season before the end of this year. Ngabo Amon reporting.